MTV starts now!
Good morning, Marauders. Today is April 28, 2020. My name is Jherico Casabay, singer, producer, director, editor, athlete, marauder, a YouTuber on the side, the star of America's Next Top Mistake, and your fourth quarter anchor. And you're watching MTV Love.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world's confusing me. Don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a place of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Can we just have a moment to appreciate how beast that intro is? Like, let's get real, that is so cool. You know what else is cool? The Monache staff created a lip sync video just for us to watch. Check it out.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know
Lip syncing is so underrated, like I could be literally doing anything and you wouldn't even know. Next segment's another under over. Woo! That was kind of good.
Wait, overrated good, underrated bad?
Hi, I am Celeste. I am Lisbet's cousin. Isn't that Taco Bell is underrated? A lot of people go there and it's like bomb. It depends. Oh, overrated. Like I get like everybody's like worried about that, but like that's underrated. TikTok is fun. Everybody uses that app, you know. It's overrated. See, this is what quarantine does to us. I would never cut my own hair, but like, oh, that app is underrated. Like I'm always on that app too. Like, bye.
Yeah, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Yeah, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Yeah, I'm bored in the house and in the house bored. Bored in the house bored in the house bored. Period. Love.
Have you ever been bored in a house and in a house bored? Well, I have some ideas for you.
Since the school year is basically over and our spring sports were cancelled, we decided to check out one of our Marauders to see how they're doing to practice for the next season. Period! Whoa!
Alrighty, let's go pitching. Alright, what cute girls are in the stands? Alright, there's one. Oh well. Alright, show off real quick. Oh, no. Well, pitching was a disaster. So now, my coach put me out here. Kinda bored. Bugs flying everywhere. Kinda stinks too. Alright, here we go. So, everything goes planned. Alright, I'm kinda scared. Here we go. Oh my god. Nope. Attempt number 2. This is why you get 3 strikes in baseball. It still scares me. And nope. Didn't get that one. Alright, hit with confidence. Here we go. About to get it. Get there. Come on. Get there. Come on. I'm fast and furious. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm tired.
I was born for this. I know I was born for this. I believe we can write our story. I believe we can be an army. We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. We are the broken ones who chose to spark a flame. Watch as our fire rages, our hearts are never tame. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this.
Hit it, DJ. It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a mess recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have a cake. Period.
Good morning and welcome everybody to today's episode of Cooking with Lucas, where in today's edition we're going to be making my very own recipe of some lemon truffle pasta. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You're going to want to take some rice noodles. You can actually use any noodles for this recipe, but that's what I'm going to use. Now these require that you soak them 10 to 15 minutes in advance just so that you get them rehydrated. You're going to want to zest a whole lemon. Then you're going to want to take that lemon and squeeze both halves into your bowl. And then go ahead and take those seeds out with a fork. Next up, I'm going to add salt and pepper very, very generously. And then some chili flakes. Then with your truffle oil, you're going to want to put a decent amount of this. As you can see, I had to finish off the bottle. Now take your fresh ginger and grate it into your bowl. You're going to want to incorporate all those ingredients together using a fork. Now with your stove on medium to high heat, go ahead and add in your oil and then your noodles. These are going to pop, so just be aware of that. Now take that bowl of all the ingredients you mixed together and incorporate it into the pasta using 2 forks. Plate that pasta, top it off with some more chili flakes and parsley, and bam! That's lemon truffle pasta.
That's all I have for you today, Marauders. Stay safe out there. If you haven't already, follow us at Monache TV on Instagram and Twitter. My name is Jherico Casabay, a singer, director, producer, editor, athlete, marauder, a YouTuber on the side, the star of America's Next Top Mistake, and your 4th quarter anchor. And that's on what? And that's on signing off, period.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray the day you walked away. You were the clock that was ticking in my heart, changed my state of mind when love's so hard to find. Your feelings changed like the weather, went from clear to gray on that time of day. How can I go on with the cup falling apart? Love's so hard to find when someone's on